The Earth and the Sun. Exercise 6.1. This exercise will check that you know about day and night. Match the following activities to the right places on the Earth. In this slide, you can see that the sun rays are falling on the points or covering the surface where there are points 2 and 3. And where there is point 1, there it is shaded, it is orange color. So that means in 2 and 3 points, this area where the sun rays are falling, it is the daytime or morning. And at the area where the sun rays are not falling, that's nighttime. Through this picture you can easily see that the sun rays are falling on the earth, and where it is falling it is daytime, and the side where the sun rays are not there it is nighttime. So now you can match the points. 3 will be waking up, that means at the area 3 it will be morning. At the point 2 the people will be having lunch, it means it's afternoon time. And at point 1 it's night, so people will be sleeping.